are those who help us think for ourselves. We are what we are because of our teachers. They lead us on the path of discovery and progress by imparting knowledge and values. Teachers' Day is celebrated with enthusiasm across the country on September 5. Did you know it was India's philosopher president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday that came to be celebrated as Teachers' Day? The first ever Teachers' Day was celebrated in 1962 when Dr. Radhakrishnan assumed office as president of the country. It is said that when his students expressed their wish to celebrate his birthday on September 5, he humbly said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." Since then, his birthday, September 5, has been celebrated as Teachers' Day in recognition of the remarkable contribution of him in the society. Radhakrishnan's life is proof that nothing could stand in the way of acquiring knowledge. Born in a middle-class family in Madras Presidency in 1888, he had his schooling in Tirupati and Tirupati. His keen interest in studies helped him earn scholarships throughout his academic life. He pursued philosophy at the Madras Christian College. Acquiring a master's degree in the subject, he began his career as a teacher at the Madras Presidency College in 1909. He went on to serve as professor of philosophy at Mysore and Calcutta universities. He served as the vice chancellor of Andhra Pradesh University and Banaras Hindu University and chancellor of Delhi University too. He delivered lectures at international universities and wrote many books on Indian philosophy, immensely contributing to the understanding of Hinduism in India and the West. Teaching, indeed, is a noble profession. For to teach is not to throw around a few well-constructed facts, but rather to allow the river of free thoughts of inquisitive children take its own course in the plains of professionalism while maintaining a dignified grace and glamour. It allows the dry patches of contemporary society to be fueled with revolutionary rhythms of the restless yet relentless youth, infusing life and purpose into our world. A teacher does not just plant the seed of thought into our young minds. She also refines the soil of our sensibilities to allow the canopy of conscience nourish our grey cells. An illustrious example is late Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who wished to identify himself with just one part of his life, that of a humble student-friendly teacher, for he took great pride in propelling the wings of fire of the Indian youth by teaching them to dream. World-renowned intellectuals and personalities whom we idolize all had inspirational teachers who taught them to dream sky high and to be able to connect it with the real world, thus forever imprinting their legacies in the sands of time. Teaching as a profession attains purpose when it, like the white dove, flies through the darkness of the world to spread the light of knowledge and wisdom. My teachers have always taught me that education is beyond books and in the realms of creativity, passion, knowledge, and wisdom that make you the person you want to be. To quote the Nobel laureate Malala Yousafzai, who said, "One child, one teacher, one book, one pen, can change the world. And undoubtedly, the value of teachers can never be quantified by any amount of words. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.